Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your laptop is ready. Update the OS, connect to a stable network, and sign into your Google account. Open Chrome for best compatibility. Once done, type Meet. Google, or install the Meet Progressive Web app for quick access. Make sure your camera and microphone are connected and allowed by the browser, because Meet needs permissions to transmit audio and video. These initial steps speed setup and prevent interruptions when you join or host a meeting. Next, decide whether you will join or create a meeting. If joining, paste the meeting code or click the link and accept camera and microphone permissions when prompted. Make sure you select the correct device inputs and speaker output. If creating, click New Meeting and copy the invite link. To make future access faster, install the Meet Progressive Web app from the browser menu. This gives app-like launch and separate window behavior, which helps focus and resource management. Finally, test your camera and microphone inside Meet settings, adjust camera framing and mic volume, and use headphones to avoid echoes. Once settled, join the meeting and use captions or chat for accessibility. If performance lags, close heavy apps, or unused tabs, you can check Chrome Task Manager to free memory. If audio or video still fail, restart the browser, clear cache, or reboot the laptop. These steps resolve most permission and driver glitches quickly, so you can get back to your meeting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.